this is Nuki, and welcome to my how-to series where I look at a pose for each and every given tutorial and go through the prep poses that we need to undertake in order to come into mastering these postures. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at the infamous Chaturanga Dandasana, or also known as a yogi push-up. So this is a pose that is used very commonly in Vinyasa flow classes and Ashtanga practice as well. And a lot of us struggle with it, and more often than not, I notice a lot of people, including myself when I first began, I was just going about it the totally wrong way. What I notice is we tend to combine a half push-up and suddenly meet in an up dog. I think you might know what I'm talking about here. So let's come and meet on the mat, and we're going to go through some of the prep poses to get you up to speed and build up the upper body strength in order for you to master your Chaturangas.
Plank pose is a beautiful precursor to any arm balance. So make sure that your shoulders are directly above your elbows. You can also take it down into a forearm plank here. And make sure your bum isn't too high. You're looking to aim for one straight line here from head to toe. Knees, chest, chin variation is a great option to take to build the upper body strength. And then once you're comfortable with lowering your chest and your chin down with the elbows close to the waistline, then you can start to venture into the realms of full Chaturanga. Again, reminder to keep the elbows close to your waistline. Side plank, Vashisthasana. So this one is a great pose to strengthening your oblique abdominal muscles, part of the core here to stabilize you. So make sure that you practice a few breaths on both right and the left side. If it's too difficult to keep both legs straight, you have, of course, the option to lower the bottom knee down to the mat. And then there are different variations of side plank. You can check out my other how-to series, which I talk about how to come into different variations of Vashisthasana. The next pose is our Locust Pose. And this is a reclining back bending asana that is really useful to stretching your thighs, your navel, and the shoulders. We're really trying to stabilize yourself here by using your lower back muscles. You can practice your Chaturangas using two blocks. Place the blocks shoulder width apart, and hands go behind the blocks here. And then essentially come to lower down and rest your shoulders on top of the blocks. This is ideally where you want to be before you untuck your toes and push up. Now we're ready for full Chaturanga. Lower down, elbows parallel to the floor, keep them close to your waistline. And then simply lower the whole body down in one straight line. Good. Take a few breaths in your down dog, and then when you're ready, just come back into a high plank and repeat the process again. This pose is very strong and takes a lot of time, so be patient and, most importantly, enjoy that journey of learning, everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining us in today's tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. Remember to keep practicing and don't give up. If you've got any comments, just drop it right down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond to you. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying the episodes. Stay safe everyone, keep a happy mind and a happy heart. Namaste.